Okay guys, so we are back with another video, and in this video we are going to download Visual Studio 2022, and along with that we will be seeing how we can download Postman, which is a tool that we will be using throughout the course for testing our APIs. So for downloading Visual Studio 2022, you should go to the Microsoft website, and we will write here download Visual Studio 2022. This is the Microsoft website, and you can go here. Alright, so I have already installed Visual Studio Enterprise Edition. So I'll be using the Enterprise version. For Enterprise, you must have the key for it. And if you guys don't have the key, you can mail me. I'm putting my email ID in the description box. So you can mail me at that and I can deliver you the key for it. So you should click here on Enterprise 2022, and here you can see the downloader has started. Actually, it is an installer. You can open it, and it will prepare the installer. Installer is being ready. Alright, so now we have that box here, and the important part of downloading or installing the Visual Studio 2022 for our course, we should specify what kind of packages we need in our Visual Studio. So first we need ASP.NET and web development, and second one is .NET desktop development. And here you can see it requires a total space of 5.66 GB. Now you can just click on install and it will start installing. As you guys can see, I have already installed the Visual Studio 2022, so I'll just exit from the installer as soon as I'll get an option over here. And now we will jump to our second tool, which is Postman. So to download Postman, we will go again to the Google and we will type download Postman, and here you will get the downloader. Download for 64-bit. My operating system works on 64-bit, so I'll click on it. And here you can see the downloader has started. So as you guys can see, it is downloaded. So we can just go to the folder of downloads and you can just double click on it. So the installing process has been started. Because I have already installed it before, so it just got updated. So here you can see it is the main interface, but if you guys are installing it for the first time, it will ask you to sign up on their website. It will be a simple process. You can just go and sign up with your Google account, and here you will go. So now let me just open Visual Studio just to give you a preview look. So we have opened Visual Studio 2022, and this we will go to create a new project. And when we click on create a new project, we will be given some templates and we will choose the web API template. Now you can see we have templates. We have class library, Razor class library, and a lot of stuff over here. We will search for RESTful API. And here we have ASP.NET Core Web API. And you can see there is a key being displayed on the icon. And after specifying the path, you can just click on next. And here you will select the targeted framework, and we will choose .NET 6, and we will configure the HTTPS, and we will leave the rest of the boxes as default, and we will select create. Now it will take a few moments to create the project setup. Alright, so we have our project here. So the build has been started. It will take a few moments when you shoot it for the first time. So our local host has been started, and here you can see we have that Swagger UI for our web API. And if I go to the program.cs file, you can see over here that after adding the controller service, these two lines are specifying Swagger service. So it is actually by default. So if I use the get method and click on try it out and execute, you can see the request has gone and we have got a status of 200, which means okay. And here we have a response body, and it is giving us an array of objects, and we have the date, temperature and summary. The important thing is this request URL. If I just copy it and paste it over here, you can see we are getting the same JSON response. Now I will just open Postman, and over here I'll just paste the same request URL. If I send it, see I'll get the same response over here. And here it is. So you can see we are using Postman as a client of our API instead of Swagger. Let me just stop it. So here it is, the complete project, and it is a demo API. And from the last two videos, I am using this term MVC. So we will be going in depth of what is MVC, what are models, what are controllers, and what are views, and how this architecture actually works. So stay tuned for the next video, and thank you so much for watching, and Allah Hafiz.